Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox some exciting new items from GBFKE. So there's 3 canvases, and then I have a tool that I would like to show you because I just thought it was so cool looking. Look at this, you guys. It's a diamond painting pen that looks like a feather. How cool is that? A quill diamond painting pen. I just thought that looked really neat. So this was $2.10, and you just pull it off and there is your diamond painting pen. So load it up with wax, glue dots, whatever you want, and you're off. So it's actually really light. So I just thought that was cool. So there's that. And then the rest of these are canvases. So let me start off with this one. I thought this was a pretty one. Ooh, this is a very stiff canvas, so rolling it is, whew, okay. Let me get it rolled up. So standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. It is a special drill kit, as you can see. So let me unroll it, and you can see it's this very pretty girl with a fancy headdress, and then her fancy dress with all of the special drills. There's only 8 drills. It does have the crystal codes on it, which is good, so I can see what those are. And I've got a couple of other special drill codes, so I'll see what those are. It is a 30 by 40, so let's see what it measures. It is 25 by 35. And it looks like it's going to be so cool. It's nice and sticky where you need it to be, so that's good. Okay, and then let's look at the drills here. Only 8 colors, so that's, or 8 drills, that's not very many. Let's see what we get. So we get, ooh, some dark red, some kind of Christmas red, some mulberry pink, some dark green, bright purple, bright blue, a yellow, and then, ooh, those are very pretty. I like those. Like a very dark purple iridescent round. And then we get some just kind of a sage green round. Those are going to be really pretty. So, super excited about that. This is another one of those that, you know, I love keeping these partials around for those quick wins for me, especially lately when I'm doing all kinds of very large paintings, and it just seems like it takes forever in between, so having something I can finish quickly is always nice. And that one was $5.01. So let me open the next one here. These next 2, I just thought they were so super cute. So let's see. Ooh, this is that thinner canvas again, so it rolls up really nicely. Love that. Okay. Get this rolled up. Looks like it got a little bit crunched. Okay, so we get a standard kit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And we do have our round drills. Very cute. And here is the diamond painting, you guys. I just thought this one was so super cute. With Halloween coming up, the jack-o'-lantern, and then you've got these cute little, I think they're supposed to be ghosts peeking out from behind it. It does have the white background, which is not my favorite, but I'm learning to love it because I can multi-place. So we've got 21 colors, and we do have the DMC codes on each, so that's good. This is a 30 by 30, so let's measure. It is 24 by 24, and it is nice and sticky where it needs to be. So let's look at all these colors. And I do appreciate that it's got kind of all these stars in the background, so that kind of takes up space that might normally have been just white. So I like that. All right, let's see. So of course we've got our 3 bags of white. And then what other colors do we get? We've got some bright purple, black, of course, some gray. So a light gray, a dark gray, and then kind of an in-between gray, a very pale mauve, a dark orange, and kind of a pale orange, kind of a mustardy yellow, a true orange, a pale yellow, a very, very light tan, ooh, a very dark forest green, some kind of brick red, that is a very dark gray, a dark brown, a peach, a yellow, kind of a pale yellow, kind of a dark, like a khaki brown, and then a purple. So some really cute colors in this one. I saw this one and I thought it was really cute. So I'm looking forward to this one actually. I may, if I'm not done with my September challenge with my other kits, I may actually steal this one out and finish this one up just so I can have it. I have, in the last few years, kind of gotten rid of all of my Halloween decorations because my kids are old enough that they don't trick-or-treat anymore. One of them doesn't even live with me anymore, but we just, you know, we don't participate in all that, and so I haven't really decorated in the last couple of years. It'd be nice to have some diamond paintings that I could kind of rotate in and out. This one was $4.91. And then the last one here, let me find the end of it so I can open it and show you this one, because this is another one that I thought was super cute. It actually goes really well with the other painting. So let me, ooh, this one is very soft and easy to roll. Love that. Okay, so standard kit again, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. And then we've got our round drills. And let me show you, look at these cuties. It's another Halloween one, but we've got our little jack-o'-lantern, and then we've got these 2 cute bats, and then this cute background. It does have some white, but it's really just kind of on the edges, and again, it's that eye symbol that I like, so I'm happy with that. It's another 30 by 30, so let's measure. It is 24 by 24. And we have a schematic on both sides. We've got one on the right and the left, and we have the DMC code, so that's always good. It is nice and sticky, and I just thought this was super cute. I don't see anything on here that looks like it's going to be a problem as far as symbols, so let's look at our drills and see what we get. So, of course, we've got 2 bags of white, and then we've got kind of this pale mauve color again. And then, what other colors do we have? We've got a bright purple again, a pale pink, black, kind of a pale purple, a sage green, kind of a dark gray, and then a lighter gray, and then a very light gray, some dark purple, some bright orange. Then we've got quite a bit of the light blue here because that is the background, or one of the background colors. We've got like a burnt orange, a dark brown, kind of a dark peach, a very pale lilac, a light pink, kind of a peachy color, a yellow, kind of a khaki brown, and then a dark purple. So again, some cute colors in this. So, and I had the same thought as I did with the previous one. You know, I don't really, or I haven't anyway, decorated for Halloween in a while. So I thought this would be a really cute one. And if I don't get to it, then I can always pass it on in a random act of kindness. But I thought this one was super cute. So super happy with this one. And this one was $4.51. So we have our cute little bats here. We have our cute little pumpkin with, I don't know if those are supposed to be ghosts, that's what I'm calling them. Then we have our pretty lady here with her fancy dress. And we've got our diamond painting feather pin. So there you go, guys. As usual, I will put links in the description below so that you can check all these items out for yourself. A big thank you to GBFKE for sending me the items. And thank you to you for sticking around till the end. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.